Does anyone want a neck massage but your favorite massage place is closed or closed again? This week I'm going to show you 9 ways to massage your own neck. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. How is your neck feeling? I'm asking because I know there are more than enough stressors around these days. Stress often shows up on your neck and it makes your neck tight and stiff. And you may be spending more time looking down on your device, and that doesn't help. This week I'm going to show you 9 ways to massage your own neck and 1 trick to prevent the forward neck or text neck. Just so you know, I am doing Marie Kondo on my YouTube channel. If you don't know her, she has books and TV series on Netflix called Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. It's a spring cleaning of your closet and stuff around you, but it's really your life, with a goal of being surrounded with only what gives you joy. If you haven't seen the show or read the book, I highly recommend it if you want to clear the clutter, get rid of baggage, and create a space for the good energy to flow in. Anyways, over the last 10 years, I've published 510 videos. If anyone has seen all 510 videos, I thank you and I love you. There are quite a few videos that don't give me joy for different reasons. So I'm consolidating self-neck massage videos and re-edited them. You will see me in a younger form with no visible gray hair. I felt like I was in a time capsule re-editing these. The first one is massaging the base of the skull. Locate the base of the skull between the ears. Grab your own head, hook your thumbs, and make small circles on the base of the skull. Move side to side to massage different spots. Your neck muscles attach to the base of the skull, and often people don't know this area is very tight. It helps to loosen the attachment side to loosen the neck muscles. The second one is crack the nut. Weave your fingers behind your neck and squeeze the neck muscles with the base of your thumbs. Go up and down the neck. The third one is ice pick neck. Weave your fingers except your thumbs and squeeze the neck muscles with the tip of your thumbs. You can target more specific spots. Try different width and go up and down the neck. Bring your right hand across the body and grab the left side of the neck. Tilt your head forward and to your right. Curl your fingers and pull the neck muscles downward. Use the entire arm, not just your finger strength, to pull the neck muscles downward. Go up and down all the way between the neck and shoulder. If you find a tight spot, curl your fingers even more and dig in with your fingertips. Or hold the spot and move your neck from side to side. Bring your right hand behind your neck and grab the left side of your neck. Again, with curled fingertips, grab the left neck muscles. Tilt your head forward and pull the neck muscles downward towards the spine. Go up and down the neck. And if you find a tight spot, dig in with curled fingertips. Or hold the spot and move your neck from side to side. Simply grab the neck muscles with your palm and squeeze your palm as you go up and down the neck. If you want to target the muscles closer to the spine, use your thumb and closed fingers to pinch and squeeze. If you have long fingernails or weak hands, I recommend using tools such as this rolling pin. This is from 99-cent stores and is dedicated for massaging. To massage the right side, grab it with the right palm facing away and left palm facing you. Tilt your head forward and roll up and down the neck. Try different angles. Don't forget to massage the base of the skull where the neck muscles attach. Switch the hold to do the other side. To massage the left side, grab it with the left palm facing away and right palm facing you. Roll up and down the left side of your neck in different angles. You can do this easily while you watch TV without tiring your hands or fingers. Don't forget to massage the base of the skull. To increase the pressure, grip firmer, slow down, and use the arm weight. To reduce the pressure, lighten up the grip. If you have a headache, I recommend you only roll down the neck and not up the neck. The headache may be caused by the pressure built up in your head. If you roll up, you are promoting more pressure into the head. So if you have a headache, just roll down the neck to alleviate the pressure from the head. Besides the rolling pin, lacrosse ball is a wonderful massage tool. Lacrosse ball is a very dense, hard rubber ball, and you can massage with one ball or two balls. I like good pressure, so I usually use a lacrosse ball, but if this is too hard, use a tennis ball, which is softer. Starting with a single ball. Sit comfortably and place the ball in the middle of the base of the skull where there is a depression. Put both hands on the top of the ball and drop your head forward and just let the gravity do its job as you take deep breaths. Then slowly move the ball up and down and side to side. You are now massaging the suboccipital muscles. Occiput is the back of the skull, and suboccipital muscles are a group of 8 muscles that connect the first 2 vertebrae called atlas and axis in the skull. These muscles can have trigger points that cause the headache from above the eye all the way to the side of the head. Roll the ball 10 times at a time and do it 6 times throughout the day. This point is also an acupressure point known as GV16 or governing vessel 16, and it's good for neck pain, headaches, nosebleeds, and sore throat. Move the ball further to the side and you may find it really sore or even painful. You just went over the attachment of trapezius and deep neck muscle under trapezius called semispinalis capitis. Semispinalis capitis also can have trigger points that cause the headache on the side of your head above the ears. Slowly roll the ball up and down and side to side to release the trigger points. Roll the ball 10 times at a time and do it 6 times throughout the day. When you roll your ball a little further, there is another depression next to trapezius. This is an acupressure point called GB20 or gallbladder 20. This point is good for headache, migraines, stiff neck, neck pain, and eye strain. Press the GB20 point with the ball as you breathe deeply. Now that you know these points, even better way to massage them is to lie on your back with the ball and let the head weight do its job. Hold it with one hand to start with. Instead of moving the ball, roll your head up and down and side to side. Use your left hand for the left side of the neck and use your right hand for the right side of the neck. And if you dare, use both hands to really increase the pressure. Now with 2 balls. I think this homemade massage device is still the best. Basically, you put 2 lacrosse balls in a sock. And you tie the end. Here's how I massage my neck with this tool. Put the balls on each side of the neck and squeeze in a circular motion. This feels just like what the massage chair does. What I love about this massage tool is the flexibility. You can stretch it apart to target different areas. If your arms get tired, you can just give short strokes on the tight spots on both sides, or one side at a time. If your arms are really tired, just hold the balls and tilt your head to the sides and rotate your neck. There are massage tools that look like 2 lacrosse balls infused together, but I like this one because it has the flexibility to adjust the space between the balls and use it as you see fit for your body. So these were the self-neck massage techniques. In case you didn't know, I have couples massage courses online for those with partners. It's a great way to spend quality time learning how to massage each other at home, especially if you're stuck at home or if your massage place is closed. I share techniques over the clothes so you can practice anywhere, anytime, even in front of your kids, or at the airport once you can go to places. You can check out the free video ebook on how to massage your partner from head to toe from the link here or below. Finally, one trick to prevent the neck pain from forward neck or text neck. Did you know when you push your head forward by 1 inch, it adds 10 extra pounds on your neck? That's a lot of weight because your head already weighs about 11 pounds, even if it acts like it's filled with a bunch of air, at least in my case. In order to keep your head up straight and not moving forward, this is what you do. You push your tongue against the back of the upper teeth and part of the upper jaw. This tightens the root of the tongue, which is pretty big compared to the visible part of the tongue. You can feel this under the jaw. While this is tightened, it's very hard to push your neck forward. You can try this with and without pushing your tongue against the back of your upper teeth and the roof of your mouth. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. And click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos up and out.